Here is one question for you all to think and reflect on. Why is modern life making us tired even when we rest? There is a question. Have you ever slept for 8 hours and woken up and still felt tired? You sit on the couch, scroll through your phone, watch videos, do nothing physically, yet your body feels heavy, your mind feels noisy, and your heart felt empty. If rest is supposed to recharge us, why are so many people exhausted even while resting? I was thinking about this. Then I just decided to come up with some points to unpack this question. Today, I wanted to share something important with you, not from theory alone, but from real life, real observation, and real healing work through the art of Shinsei Taiso Do. So it's a reflection of, all these questions are based on the reflection of, or the perspective of Shinsei Taiso Do. By the end of the video, you may realize you are not tired because you do too much. You are tired because your system never truly rests. Let's unpack it. Let me tell you a common story here. A man finishes work at around 6 p.m. He comes home, eats dinner, sits on the sofa, turns on the TV, scrolls social media, replies to messages, worries about tomorrow, and finally goes to bed. Just think about that situation. Physically, he did nothing, but internally, here is a question, but internally, what happened? His mind never stopped. His nervous system never relaxed. His breath never slowed. His body never felt safe. This is modern rest. And this is why it doesn't work. You know, in Shinsei Taiso Do, we say something very simple. A body can be still, but the system can still be stressed. Modern life teaches us to stop moving, but it never teaches us how to release tension. True rest is not lying down. True rest is regulating your inner system. Think about this. What actually makes us tired in modern life? Let's break this down simply. First one is constant mental noise. I'm talking about today's perspective and based on research. So the first point is constant mental noise. Remember, your brain is processing. They're processing notifications, comparisons, deadlines, and expectations, fear of the future, regret of the past. These are mental noises I'm talking about. Even while resting, your mind is working overtime. This is the first point. The second point is shallow breathing. It means the stress changes breathing patterns. Most of us know about this. We breathe fast, shallow, and high in the chest. This tells the body one thing, the danger is still present. So the body never enters recovery mode. So the shallow breathing is very important, one of the reasons for our issue, what actually make us tired, and especially in this era. Then the third point is no energy circulation. That's the third point. And we all used to say, or most of us, we know about that, our ancestors moved gently every day. They are walking, they are squatting, stretching in some points, and they have to take breathe. All of this because of that's the way naturally they were doing or moving with their life. All of this process were happening somehow. So if you check the modern life, the modern human sit, energy stagnates, and also tension accumulates and fatigue grows. These are the reasons. So no energy circulation is one of the concerns of it. So I wanted to share with some of the insights here. In Shinsei Taiso Do, we understand fatigue very differently. We don't ask, how much did you do today? Okay, but we ask in a little bit different way. Did your system ever return to balance? You see, these two questions makes a big difference. Because remember, Shinsei Taiso Do there is definitely the ancient philosophical views are there, but at the same time, it's also connected with the reason or the current modern science, especially from the background of neuroscience, the latest studies. We always doing research in Shinsei Taiso Do. So we are, even when we are asking questions, we need to change that. Someone who is doing Shinsei Taiso Do, the one of the most important you have to understand that is the thoughts that is coming to your mind and the question and the communication that's happening within you, and when you are delivering you or communicating with someone, questions, it has very different reframing. Especially when we ask some question, it's completely different. It's not like the normal kind of questions that make us to get more confused and feeling a little bit of guilty. No, we are said straightforward, and we take in a little bit different ways. That is how it's NLP comes in. So we don't ask the question like, how much did you do today? Instead of we say, did your system ever return to balance? Because we know that system. So fatigue is not always physical. It is neurological, emotional, and energetic. There is another question I want to ask. Why sleep alone is not enough? It's a question to think. Why sleep alone is not enough? Sleep repairs tissues, but it does not always calm the nervous system. That is why people wake up tired. Your body slept, your mind slept, but your inner system stayed alert. Rest without regulation is incomplete. Let's quickly check the 5-element view of fatigue, especially Shinsei Taiso Do perspective. Let's quickly check into that. Let me explain this simply using the 5 elements. Okay, Earth is mainly connecting with our body, physical nature. Weak posture, poor grounding, and physical stiffness. So that is the main view of fatigue when it comes to Shinsei Taiso Do. What is happening is your body, you can expect weak posture, poor grounding, physical stiffness. Then the second is related to emotions. Emotions are connected with water. So the element, water element, it's the fatigue, how it's connected with the water. That means our emotions. Or we can say emotional fatigue. Here also 3 points here. Emotional overload. Or we can say suppressed feelings. Or mental heaviness. All of these are part of emotional element. Then the next element is fire. The fire is talking about our ki, our energy. They're connected with fire. What is the nature is actually a burnout one. Over-stimulation sometimes constant what we call urgencies. You can find these natures if you have a fatigue, especially with energy fatigue. That is fire, energy. The next point is air, breathe. The breathe element or air element is talking about shallow breathing. The people might face anxiety. They used to face anxiety, or some people feel like they have restlessness. All of this because of the weak of air element, or we can say breathe fatigue. Then space is talking about void, that is mind. No silence, no pause, no awareness. All of this connected with the mind. So when these elements are imbalanced, rest does not restore you. That is a main point. That is why I explained all of these 5 elements and their fatigue nature. So here is one a life lesson. I once worked with a person who said, I take holidays, but I'm still exhausted. I used to hear people say that. I asked one question. When was the last time you felt truly calm without any distraction? Silence followed. So rest without awareness is just distraction. That's my point of view. Rest without awareness is just distraction. So healing begins when awareness returns. Always keep this thing in your mind. Healing begins when awareness returns. In our upcoming videos, I will be more talking about the connection with healing and awareness. It's still coming. So, in the art of Shinsei Taiso Do, what Shinsei Taiso Do teaches instead. So Shinsei Taiso Do, the art does not teach escape from life. You have to understand. It teaches how to live without exhaustion. We focus on gentle movement, that is case and flow. We focus on mindful forms, mindful movement forms, that is Taiso flow. Then we talk about energy regulation. We call it as ki flow. So also we say we focus on breath awareness. We have a couple of breathing exercises for Shinsei breathing exercises. Also we have nervous system balance techniques. So this combination allows the body to rest while awake. And that is real recovery. A simple example you can try today. I just want to give you that. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, slow your breath, inhale gently, exhale longer than you inhale. Just keep it in mind, this is the very simple technique. Inhale gently, completely focused, and exhale longer than you inhale. For example, if you are inhaling 5 seconds, you exhale 7 to 8 seconds slowly, gently. Within minutes, your body receives a new message. You are safe now. That is the message. You are safe now. That is when healing begins. So when you move gently with awareness, energy circulates, tension dissolves, breathe deepens, mind quiets. That is why Shinsei Taiso Do focuses on conscious movement, not forceful exercises. So remember this, modern fatigue is a lifestyle issue, not a medical one. Most people are not sick. They are disconnected from their body, disconnected from their breath, disconnected from their inner rhythm, disconnected from their natural pace. And when connection returns, energy returns. Here is the truth most people don't hear. You don't need more motivation. You don't need more caffeine. You don't need more stimulation. You need alignment. When the body, breath, mind, and energy move together, fatigue fades naturally.